Let's learn about letter M. What is the sound of letter M and how to write the letter M? The letter M represents the M sound. How to make the sound? To make the M sound, start by closing your lips tightly together. Then push air through your nose while keeping your mouth closed. Now say the sound M. You can stretch out the M sound like this. Mm. The letter M spells the M sound. Now let's write the big letter and small letter M. To write an uppercase M, start by making a straight line down. Straight line down. Then go back to the top and make a slanted down towards the middle. Then slant up again. Finally, draw another straight line down to the bottom. Now you have an uppercase M. Now let's practice writing big letter M. Down, slant up, down. Down, slant up, down. Again, down, slant up, down. Down, slant up, down. Now let's write the lowercase m. Draw a straight line down, curve around, and go down. Curve around again and finish with a line down. That's how you write a lowercase m. Now let's practice writing small letter m. Down, curve around, curve around. Now let's write down, curve around, curve around. Again, down, curve around, curve around. Now you try. Down, curve around, curve around.